On your way. Hi, Peter on the New York Fashion Times, and I'm here with.
Tricia Helfer.
Hi, Trish. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful, thanks.
Great. So, what was the most challenging part of making this movie, if you don't mind?
I think just getting there, getting it started,
Right.
more for the production than myself. But yeah, it was kind of. I think I had a week before I actually went across. So getting started, getting the accent going, getting. Uh,
Was there any special tips that you got that was really influential in getting the accent correct?
well, I worked with a dialect coach,
Okay.
Sarah Valentine,
Okay.
and yeah, I only was able to fit in a couple of sessions before actually
Before you
starting.
actually started, right?
So, yeah, but she's great, and we'll see. We'll see.
Okay. Okay. You're excited about the final, you know, runway and red carpet and everything else?
It's so nice to see everybody. There's a couple of the actors here that I haven't
Right.
seen since we finished filming almost a year and a half ago. So it's fun to be here, and it's fun to see it come to fruition, and have the premiere in Hollywood. It's
And and
wonderful.
and this was one of your only, how should we say it, wildlife dinosaur type features.
Yes, I have never done a dinosaur film before. I've
So
actually never played a role like Sophia before, so it
so
was
it
fun for
was
me to
new
do.
in that sense,
Yes, it was absolutely new in that sense for me to do.
and it was challenging to fit into that role, or not necessarily.
Not necessarily, no. It was, I'm a tomboy at heart, so I fit right into the vulture squad,
There you go.
out trudging through the mud
There
and
you
through the
go.
forest. Yes,
Yes. Well, thank you again for chatting. And your Instagram, if you don't mind, is
is official Tricia Helfer.
perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Yep.